Good morning. The ice machine broke in the freezer. We don't have it hooked up, we just put ice cubes in there. But this is broken here. It's cracked here, so this thing just moves around. I don't quite know. Looks like there's some screws out here. Maybe if I take down part, I can take it apart and see what I need to do to try to fix it, or maybe it's just shot. It's kind of nice to have it, especially on a hot day when you want to make an iced coffee or some iced tea. There was some broken plastic. I got rid of that already. This thing will need a good cleaning if we get it back working from being in the garage for a little while. I've never taken one of these little devils apart before. Not quite sure what we're getting into. Here's some more broken plastic. So what happened, it was a frozen little juice cup thing, got wedged into the ice maker. That thing just sits in there or what? I have to figure out how this thing works. I just put it on the wrong way. You did that, yeah. It's a very old refrigerator too. Doesn't have a number on it. We'll have to go look online. And see if we can find a number for this. And otherwise, I was wondering if you could found something that diameter to finish making that circle, because we don't have enough pieces, you know. So here's the old refrigerator, bought it at an auction, actually out in Forson. It's an Estate, so I would say it's a Kenmore, because Kenmores are usually Estate products. I don't know where quite it says out here where it would be. It just says Estate. I'm gonna search Estate, and I would think it's, unless it's on the bottom here somewhere, I think it's Kenmore. It's way up here. So I'm gonna go look up some parts and see what I can figure out with the thing, if it's worth buying parts for it. I already glued this here. I cut part of this spoon here to make it work, to glue it on there. Now I'm going to take this little black thing here that came from, I don't know, Solar Power Light, I think. So I need to make a stop. See how this has a stop right here? So this thing will just go like that and move. I need to do the same thing over here, so it doesn't just go like that. So I need to JB weld that into there and try to clamp it with this here, like that. Clamp it in there. And here's my new ice wheel right here. It's a Drum 4388736. I know I said I thought it was a, I don't know what I told you. I think it's a Kenmore refrigerator, not whatever I told you. But we'll double check that before we get all done with this. Now we just have to set and wait for that glue to dry and that glue over there to dry. Not for sure how long it takes, but it's quite a while, I know, because this is not the quick stuff. This is original stuff. I don't know if it says on there or not. Whatever. Probably work on it tomorrow some more, and we'll see how it gets. Give it if it works. Okay, the glue seems to be dried. It's been almost 24 hours. That is working in there like it's supposed to, and this piece over here glued up pretty good. And I put a piece inside of there to help hold it. So I'm going to put this back together now. See if I remember how to do that. And then I'm going to try it out. Probably have to clean it up a little bit, then I'll try it out. I just put the ice tray thing back in there. I just put a half a tray of ice cubes in. We don't have the other thing hooked up to it. Maybe I should put more ice. Ooh, look at that, we got ice. We got ice. Perfect. We are back in business. Still not for sure of the brand name of the thing, refrigerator, but it's an Estate. And we paid 50 bucks for it at auction. Maybe 20 years, 15 years ago, 17 years ago, probably out in Forston. So got the ice thing fixed now. I thought it was going to be a bigger job or more money to spend, but it wasn't, so that's good. So hopefully you guys have a good day. We'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.